In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Substack profile. Making sure your profile is up to date is an important part of maintaining your online presence. So let's walk through this process step by step to ensure everything looks just the way you want it. First things first, head over to substack.com and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, don't worry. Creating one is straightforward. But since today's focus is on editing an existing profile, we'll assume you've already signed up and are ready to dive in. Logging in should take you straight to your dashboard, which is the main hub of activity for your Substack account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see a small icon. This is your profile icon. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, you'll want to select the Settings option. This is where you'll manage most aspects of your account, including personal details, subscription settings, and more. In your settings, you'll see a variety of options, but our focus today is on editing your profile. Look for an edit button that will likely be positioned just to the right of your profile name. Clicking this button will allow you to make changes to two main areas: your publication name and your handle. Your publication name is essentially the title of your Substack newsletter or blog. It's how your readers will come to recognize your content, so think about how you want it to represent the essence of your work. If you've decided that your current publication name doesn't quite fit the bill anymore, this is your chance to revamp it. Next up is your handle. The handle functions somewhat like a personal link or username for your Substack. It's what follows the substack.com/URL, making it a critical part of your online identity as it helps others find you easily. Ensure it's memorable and aligned with your brand or name. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to scroll back up to the top of the page and look for a button that says Done. Clicking this will save all the changes you've just made, ensuring that your new publication name and handle are live and visible to your audience. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Substack profile. By keeping your profile information current, you maintain a professional appearance and make it easier for your readers to connect with your content. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to make further updates. Thanks for watching and happy publishing on Substack!